Okay, I'm going to attempt pasta in the Instant Pot. Okay, I have this large glass of water. I have 3 full glasses of water. Okay, let me get the pasta. Be right back. Okay, this is the pasta that I'm going to be cooking. Okay, I put just enough pasta in the Instant Pot just to cover the bottom. Can you see? Okay. 1 second. Okay. Let's put the lid on. We're going to set it to seal. Let's see. Let's just do manual and go up to, pasta usually takes 10 minutes to boil on the stove. So let's try 7 minutes on manual. Okay, I'll be back in just a few minutes. There, it's going to build the pressure. And then it'll count down from 7 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, now the keep warm cycle is on. It's already counted down to 7 minutes for the pasta. Let's open up the lid and see what it looks like. See if it's ready. Got to do a quick release venting. Turn it off. Kind of bubbling out. Okay, I'll let that finish and then we'll open the lid. Be right back. Yep, perfectly done. It's ready to go. Now, get my sauce, my Alfredo sauce, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna spoon out some of my Alfredo sauce. I like extra sauce. This is not a so-called healthy dish or fat-free dish, by no means. This is like fettuccine Alfredo, except for I used a different type of pasta. Delish. Thank you, and we'll see you again next time.